course, camping limit 14 days. So you can actually camp. Camping good for 14 days. Now let's find us a campground. Good morning. Was able to sleep here last night. Okay, it was cold around 11 p.m. I woke up at 11:30 because I tried to sleep at before 9 because it was already dark, but it was still warm at the time, like in the 80s, but overnight I think it went down to 60s, and it was hard to sleep at night because the neighbor, the other campers at the other side of the road, they had their generator on. So if you, I don't know if you can see from here, there's the road, and then on the other side there's some campers there that they have their generator going, I think, well until I fell asleep at past 11:30. But anyway, last night I tried to take a video of the food I have, but I don't know if it's not bright enough. So of course the main people while camping and while traveling is banana, and I have, this time I brought dried apricots and dried berry mix, and of course I have, like for keto diet, this is very good, macadamia nuts. Okay, and I have a whole box of these granola bars. So granola bars, and then just water. I just drank water. I have several bottles of water. They're just regular bottled water. But anyway, right now I'm using the USB fan. I don't know if you can see it from here. Got USB fan, and I'm powering it with this hand warmer I got as a Christmas gift 2 Christmases ago, and it can be used as a power bank too, so you can charge your cell phones with this and run USB powered gadgets. And if you can see it, I got this mosquito sleeve, the homemade mosquito sleeves I put on my window on this side because I had it open for ventilation. And last night, since it was warm, I put the other magnetic one that here, so I can crack this open while I sleep. The passenger side I didn't do anything because I thought I'd just keep it close, and I'm gonna leave soon and drive to Texas. So I'm here in Flagstaff, Arizona and Coconino National Forest. My campground. My car. Smoothly exploring before driving off. There's the forest. And there's a neighbor there. Tent camping, huh? There's a tent right there. That's the other side of the road. So there's an RV there. They might be the one who made the generator noises. Here's the entrance. It's a rough road. Oh, there's another RV there. So that they could be also the one who made those noises. My good neighbor here, the RV, they're very quiet, so they're nicer. It's the road. I think this leads to the canyon, or maybe on the other side. That's where I came from. So, I just went in and back in. That way, in an emergency, it's easier to get out. I was scratching on these branches coming in, and also on these branches, but it's not gonna get a lot of scratches. That's the sign of a camper if you have scratches running along the side of your car, because you dry camp a lot. Okay, time to get ready and move on to remove all this. Yes, put the sleeves on, just on DIY. It says 1.6 miles before you get to the I-40. So at least I can see if there's any other camping spot. If you missed that one, looks like there's some more here on the right. There's an entrance here and some more here right by the road. So we're still in the Coconino National Forest. So we're up there. There's no shade. Would have been a good it's a good 1.4 miles to go. Seems like there's a lot of places you can camp. You just have to drive more into the interior. There's a tent camping here on the left. Some kids with doggies. So only 1.2 miles, which is better than going back. There's more group campers here. There's another camper there. Of this road is actually have an entrance to the